Alright guys, so here we go. We patching up a roof. Because the fucking last guy patched it up. And I was still leaking from the screws. Which is, I guess these are the screws right here, right bro?
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
These are the screws. So it was water coming in. And I couldn't get my guy here to do it. Because fucking life situation was kicking his ass, kicking all our ass. So I guess this is how you properly patch a roof. So I'll fast forward it. I don't want to bore you guys doing this shit, but all my people out there that's got aluminum roof on a 53-foot van, this is how you patch it up, just to make sure that nice and sealed in there, no water gets under there. Fucking roof is pretty banged up though.
Worse. It's actually a pretty solid roof compared to some other shit. I had to paper mache one guy's freaking trailer together so it'll look.
Yeah.
He's like, what do I do, bro? I'm like, well, how much money you got? He's like, I ain't got a lot of money.
Right.
I'm like, well, we got to make it happen, Captain. Special. I'm gonna make it happen. But it ain't gonna be the prettiest thing you ever seen, but it will seal.
If any one of you guys in the Scranton, Hazleton, Wilkes-Barre, Northeastern Pennsylvania area, and you guys need work like this or any general truck and trailer work, feel free to look up GB Mobile and contact my guy here. Probably the best in town, in the area. Reasonable rates, great guy. He's the one-time do-it guy. Like I was saying, this the one-time guy. Basically, you get it done one time, he guarantees his work. It's not like one of these other mechanics where they fuck your shit up and they tell you come back and you gotta pay twice for the same goddamn job. So anybody in the northeastern Pennsylvania area, roll call, whatever, GB Mobile, he's the guy you guys want to see.
Yeah, bro. We're good to go.
And there it goes. Solid.
Yeah, she's toasty.
That's how you do it.